This is part 2 of the camper cushions. We found some factory flaws in our yard of material that we ordered, but luckily we did our measurements on our diamonds. We're gonna go 7 and then 4 and then 3 for our cushions, because we have cushions of multiple sizes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 right here. Draw a line right there, right through the X's. You want to make sure it's crisp, and you can see it. It's crisp when you lift it off. See how crisp it is? This is the cushion that we're putting the insert in. Look how long it is. It's the longest cushion. The other ones aren't even close to being this long. That's why we're going from 7 and cutting 3 automatically out down to 4 on the second cushion, then down to 3 diamonds on the third. We're doing a waterfall off the edge with the diamonds. This tape measure, it gets, mine is stretched out like the first 3 inches, and so I don't like to use that. I like to burn 10 inches off so it's an even number I can add to. So we got 10 inches on the edge, and hold it tight and see where it's ending up over here at the edge. So like 24, maybe even a little less, maybe like 23. You know, if you take away 10, you're sitting at 13 to 14. 13 and a half is good. I really like 13 and a half right here. We've got to hit it on these X's because this is our finished sewing length. Come in here, put it directly on our X's, you know, and it's going to be right there. 3/8 of seam allowance over here. So 13 and a half will be right there. 1 2 3, that mark right there. And see, this is where we've got to land our line. But if we want to follow the finished line in here, 13 and a half, and we come down here 13 and a half, then we can draw this line. Make sure it's square. 13 and a half. Repetitious will always get you learning more. More repetitious you are, the more you learn. And see if we can land our foot. See where it's on that X? It's going to be sewing 3/8 off our seam allowance, then we'll be cutting outside of that. Now after we get done sewing out this, we're going to be doing destructive tests with our sewing thread and our pieces to see if it's going to hold up. I use 1/3/8 thread. 1/38 thread weight is the only thread I use, because the thread that's underneath it is actually 90 weight, and it rips, it breaks. I don't use it. I only use 1/38. And I also like to use vinyls like Olympus that has 1.8 million double rubs, when the normal factory cushions from the factory on your regular trucks you buy, I don't know why they do it, but they only put like 50 to 100,000 double rubs instead of the 1.8 million double rubs, the vinyl that's out there. I don't understand why they do it, but let's bring this over to our next cut line. Oh, let's get our threads. You always want to put your threads to the back. Put your presser foot down, hold your threads down with your fingers, get a couple stitches in first, back stitch. Now we want to follow that line all the way down. We're going to come down here on this X where 3/8 is, come back down to the edge where it's going to be. We're going to see how this is fitting. Get our 3/8 edge there, and we're gonna come down here. We're gonna see where it's landing. It looks like it's landing right on the edge with the 3/8. Let's build the other two that are 22.
Yeah. City lights flicker where the sinners play preacher. Graffiti scriptures on train cars, the steel messenger. Cobblestone pathways, souls caught in a shuffle. Every breath's a gamble, life's one long scuffle. Sirens kiss the night with their mournful cries. Alleyway choirs sing the truth behind the lies. Broken glass mirrors, the dreams left for dead. Where hope's just a story that the old heads fed. Concrete jungles, sermons spilling in the veins. Blood rivers flowing through urban chains. Skyscrapers whisper the secrets they hold. Above and below, the streets stay cold. Clock ticking symphony, dangers, baseline. Rats scurry faster, chasing shadow lifelines. Moonlight hits the metal, chrome sparks glow. Temptation lingers heavy where the shadows grow. Block wars waged where the cracks reveal scars. Currency exchanged in the shells of old cars. Young kings crowned with crowns made of sin. Pawn shops thrive, dreams locked deep within. Fast hands feed the slow with the devil's grip. Wisdom's just a phantom, those with power skip. Jazz in the back alleys narrates the decay. Trumpets echoing where the lost souls stay.
When we mark out these stripes, we got to make sure that all of our material continues to go up the roll. And the reason being is because fabric has a stretch in it. See how it doesn't stretch as much there? If you stretch it here, look how much more it stretches. So if you're going to be cutting little strips to put into here, this material stretches more this way than it does this way, because we kept the material going up the roll. So we'll just square this off, go up the roll here, see how square this one should be really square, and it is, so that's good. Get the fraction plus calculator out so it's a lot easier to find your seam allowance. We have 22 as shown when it's sewn on our cushions, and we have to make this longer with the seam allowance. Our seam allowance is 3/8 plus 3/8 equals 3/4. So 22 3/4. And that just matches perfectly up to where our material's cut at. 3/4 is what they're going to be, plus 3/8 plus 3/8 equals 1.5. So we've got to come over 1.5. We need 4 of those. Let's go times by 4 equals 6 inches. So we're going to come over here. We gonna measure out 6 inches. Now we're gonna come down here and also measure out 6 inches. Then we're going to come in here and draw our line all the way down 6 inches. Then we can come square this line up here 22 3/4. We've also got to make 2 more, so let's do that real quick. Guess what I just figured out? Instead of going this way and continuing to eat up more of your roll, look, we looked out and we've got a space up here that we can use for the 2. So let's just go in here and mark our lines and straighten this up. You know, we want 1.5. We're going to be up to 3, and then 4.5 should go out to 6. So let's come up here. Actually, let's just go down here and do the same thing. Let's go 1.5, 3, 4.5 to the 6. Now that's all we're gonna cut there, because we just need 2 up there. We're only gonna use up this much of the roll. We'll have all that for other projects, and we didn't bring 2 more into here. We would have lost this much length and, you know, been right here. Then we'd have, this is way better.
Whispers of disarray. Broken glass falling like teardrops. A forgotten map where time stops. Grinding gears where dreams collapse.
There you go. Let's sew them to the diamonds. Let me show you this trick so we can put our sewing line right on the edge of our diamonds. We're gonna measure this off the edge 3/8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna come up here and put a really nice sew line that's 3/8 off of our edge for our seam allowance. See where this line is coming right through the tip of our diamonds? That's a really good reference. Every time you go to the tip of your diamonds, you want to just keep following that line and make sure your stitches go right through there. And you can see our stitches over here, as we measured off 3/8, we actually have it lined up really well. So this is what we follow. As we sew, we're just going to keep bringing this down and making sure that line is going straight through the tip of our diamond every time. Look at how nice that is. Right on the tip of the diamond. 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 Right on the tip of the diamond.
Clouds pass slow like memories that fade. Walking through the midnight, chasing dreams we made. Echo of your laugh, now a ghost in the shade. Every step a crack where the smile decayed. Voices in my head softly hum your tune. Dancing with the shadows under a silver moon. Falling stars write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. street lamp flickers out, matches my doubt. Counting lonely steps, trying to map a route. Past the pain and the fear, beyond the cold air. Searching in the void like you'd still be there. Eyes shut tight, see the dreams barely glow. Fingers reach for nothing, just the wind that I know. Concrete jungle rules the night. Shadows sharp like switchblade knives. Run or fight, no room to think. Blood on pavement paints the ink. We're the wolves, howl on the prowl. Siren songs won't make us bow. Stealing flames beneath the moon. Chaos rises, coming soon. 88 miles and pedal down. Rules don't matter, claim the crown. Risk it all beneath street lights. King of shadows, born to fight. Smoke and mirrors, life's a chase. Flickering sights through time and space. No escape, the game won't stall. Burn it hard or lose it all. We're the wolves, howl on the prowl. Siren songs won't make us bow. Stealing flames beneath the moon. Chaos rises, coming soon. No retreat, no backing out. Gang ties deep without a doubt. Every scar's a point of pride. Violence paints the story's tide.